Today's video guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Happy Makalistang Mangyan. Ito guys, yung aming main engine lube oil pump. Dadalhin ito guys sa workshop ng shipyard. Doon nila ito i-overhaul. Yan guys, sa mga ngayon pa lang nakakakita ng lube oil pump, main engine lube oil pump. Ito guys, kung gaano siya kalaki, pahaba. At yan guys, mahirap din yan i-dismantle, kaya inarinse na ng aping company na sa sure na lang yan i-overhaul. At marami namang ditong mga maintenance team sa barko ngayon. Yan guys, dadalhin nila yan sa workshop ng shipyard at doon nila i-overhaul yung main engine lube oil pump na yan. Yan guys, napakalaki niyan guys at mahaba. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Happy Makalistang Mangyan. Thank you for watching. God bless.